Kiroko kia umuthi uria urahuranagira giturwa kia upresident rungu rwa gwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga na munini wake Karua ni manyitanire na arumiriri ya kanitha wa St Francis ACK uria uri mwena wa Kareni guku mucii wa Nairobi. Odinga ni oire mweke uyu na kuria etikia undu umwe na muingi guthii na mbere na guthingata thayu riri bururi wetereire kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC kurikiriria uthurimi wa kura na kwanirira maumirira.
The elections also have been peaceful so far, and we just want to hope that this peace will prevail even after the elections are over, because we are part of and parcel of one nation. We want Kenya to be even stronger going forward.
Ida-ini uriu Odinga uria kumagaritio ni athiriti yake ya kiuteti Kalonzo Musyoka, Gideon Moi gatagatĩ ka atongoria angi ni ahinyĩrĩirie ari na mwihoko wa kuhotana giturwa giki akiuga ni harĩirie gukinyia a Kenya kanani.
And in the Bible, the land where plenty is found is called Canaan. And that's why we said we in the Azimio la Umoja Kenya want to take our people across River Jordan into Canaan, and we hope that we will be able to enjoy life in Canaan.
Mwena-ini wa watongoria aria marathurirwo rungu rwa gwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja matongoretio ni mwandiki mukaru wa kiama kia ODM Edwin Sifuna na muikariri giti John Mbadi ni makenereire iturwa iria gwataniro eno ehotete gukinyaniria na riu.
And I want to just thank those who have voted for our presidential candidate and all our candidates from MCA to the presidency across the country. As you can see, the country is basically painted blue. In terms of governors, we have the majority governors. In terms of members of parliament, and I think we make mistakes. Members of parliament include Senate and National Assembly. We have the majority in the country.
Atongoria ni moriti ya Kenya guthie na mbere na guikara na urumwe makiuga mari na mwihoko ona giturwa kia upresident ni mekuhotana.
As we wait, we want to also plead and talk to our supporters across the country that we need to maintain peace. And this even goes to those who are our competitors. We have a country, and this is the only country we have. So all of us must strive to maintain peace wherever we are. Election is an exercise. Once it is concluded, Kenya will continue.
Riu maitho mothe mari kuri kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC kurikiriria mihango yao na gutangatha no muhotani.
Tunaomba tu kwamba tume ya uchaguzi ya IEBC iweze kuharakisha hii shughuli ya kuhesabu kura, na pia pale ndani katika ukumbi wa Bomas waongee na kutoa mwelekeo kwa njia ya heshima kwa hawa viongozi, kwa sababu hawa viongozi wote they have been accredited kama observers na agents wa chama.
Hado ni Kameme TV, jetagwo kuria wa Gishimo.